Western media, you've been spreading lies just to sow confusion, just to destabilize my sovereign Eritrea. Divide and conquer, your quest to take over my sweet home Africa. Mass migration has started, millions have departed. All the minerals you stole, you discounted millions of souls. Sanctions on baseless sanctions, you'd love to see us kneel, but with the can-do people, we will never yield. And I said no more, no more, no more. And we said no more, no more, no more. And I said no more, no more, no more. And we said no more, no more, no more. And I said no more plague of neocon, military intervention on a peaceful, self-reliant nation. No more meddling, no more false narration. Don't you see what you've done? Africa, move as one. It's too late, we know your game. You suck the blood from our vein. Children will never forget atrocities and pain. Can't you hear us crying? We must wipe away this stain. I said no more, no more, no more. And we said no more, no more, no more. In Sudan. And I said no more, no more, no more. Somalia. And we said no more, no more, no more. And I said all of Africa, say no more. Angola, South Africa, we say no more. Zimbabwe, Africa, yeah, Mali, Congo, we say no more to corruption. We say no more. Africa, unite, unite. Oh, we must say no more, no more. We must say no more. No, 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 no.
Game over.